At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a box trucking business requires careful planning and execution. Here are the general steps to get you started. 1. Market research and business plan. Research the trucking industry, including local and regional demand, competition, rates, and regulations. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your business goals, target market, services offered, financial projections, and marketing strategies. 2. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain the necessary permits and licenses. This may include a USDOT number, MC number, if operating interstate, and state-specific permits. Obtain insurance coverage, including liability, cargo, and vehicle insurance. 3. Fleet acquisition. Acquire box trucks suitable for your business needs. Consider factors such as size, age, mileage, and maintenance history. Decide whether to buy new or used trucks, or lease them. Ensure that the trucks comply with safety regulations and emission standards. 4. Financing. Determine your financing needs for purchasing or leasing trucks, as well as other startup expenses such as insurance, permits, and marketing. Explore financing options such as business loans, lines of credit, or grants. 5. Operational setup. Set up a business location, which may include office space for administrative tasks and parking/storage space for trucks. Hire qualified drivers with commercial driver's licenses, CDL, and clean driving records. Implement systems for dispatching, tracking shipments, and managing paperwork. 6. Marketing and networking. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers. This may include creating a website, utilizing social media, networking with potential clients, and attending industry events. Build relationships with shippers, brokers, and other businesses in the supply chain to secure contracts and repeat business. 7. Compliance and safety. Ensure compliance with federal and state regulations governing the trucking industry, including hours of service, vehicle maintenance, and driver qualifications. Implement safety protocols and training programs for drivers to minimize accidents and liabilities. 8. Financial management. Establish accounting systems to track income, expenses, and taxes. Monitor cash flow and profitability regularly to ensure the financial health of your business. Consider working with an accountant or financial advisor to manage finances effectively. 9. Scaling and growth. Continuously evaluate your business performance and look for opportunities to expand operations, such as adding more trucks, serving new markets, or offering additional services. Stay informed about industry trends, technology advancements, and regulatory changes that may impact your business. Starting a box trucking business requires dedication, hard work, and attention to detail. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can build a successful and sustainable enterprise in the trucking industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.